Hi, this is MOB Fan. I'm making unboxing for a package that came in the mail just now. Here we go. Here we go with the minor league team of the Harrisburg Senators. You got the gold brim, blue crown, gold button, gold new era flag, white batterman, black under with the sticker, black sweatband, MILB genuine merch, new era size 8. On the front you have George Washington with the firecrackers. Let's try this on. Fits nicely. And I believe the Harrisburg Senators were or are a minor league team of the Washington Nationals. That has been my quick unboxing for a Harrisburg Senators minor league hat. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.